Hey guys, it's Hudson, and today we're at it's the Bloomsdale excavating slash the Brinkman construction. This is in Farmington, Missouri, and I'm in the middle of a massive, what's going to soon to be the Farmington Crossings. And right here we have, I think it's a Cat 352 next generation excavator owned by Bloomsdale Construction. We have a Komatsu PC290 with a jackhammer, a Cat 3, I think it's another 352 next generation, a Volvo A45G articulated dump truck, and then right behind me is a John Deere 350G excavator. And there's a lot of contractors here. There's Bloomsdale Excavating, there's Brinkman Construction, there's JF Electric. Also right in front of me is, I think, a Cat 336 or a 349F excavator. We have a Sandvik drilling rig, or a blasting rig, one of the two. We have a Cat D, I think it's a D9 T, and a Cat next generation D8, if I'm correct. And then over here we have a Cat, it's hard to tell, it's a Cat or two Cat excavators, a Vermeer trencher, I think, a Cat crawler loader that's back there, I think it's a 963K, and we have a crushing plant over there. We have a lot of miscellaneous piping and stuff. We got a mini truck, we got a lot of those shipping containers, I mean. Yeah, I mean, it's going pretty good. Probably got a whole lot of other equipment over there. I was just at Missouri Mine State Historic Site. I was just checking up over there. Oh, we have another. If I don't run it back into anything. We have another Volvo dump truck. Articulates, probably another A45G. Yeah. They're doing a good job at, oh, we also have a Takeuchi skid steer and a Volvo or a Hyundai roller. Here's that John Deere excavator for you guys. 350G LC. Yep. Today is July 23rd. I gotta wait for these people. We have a lot of other equipment down there. I think we got a Cat 963C or 953C. And there's some more John Deere equipment. Yeah, it's been pretty busy last couple of weeks, just with work and everything. But yeah, it's I enjoy doing this kind of stuff. Oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, there's steel plates right there. Yeah, this used to all be farmland right here. I mean, at the half of this side where you see all these trailers and stuff is still residential area. But that construction site used to be a farmhouse. It used to be, like, I think cattle, what was it? Cattle